In this video, I will guide you how you can search for Shopify stores on Google. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply search for myip.ms and you just need to go for the Shopify IP address. If you don't know Shopify IP address, you just need to search for Shopify IP and copy that, and then you just need to put it in the IP address, which is in this case this one, which is the Shopify official IP address. And these are all the stores that are currently working on Shopify. So you can simply click on it, and if I open any one of these websites as an example, by clicking on this, go to the website. As you can see, it's a clothing website. You can go with any of these websites that you want to go with and see how they are looking like. So that's the way of how you can search for Shopify stores on Google.